Hi, welcome to my channel. Thanks for stopping by. In today's video, I'm going to share with you my spin on Asian noodle salad. This salad is so easy to make. You may want to add this to your salad rotation this summer. So let's get started. To make this salad, you need some naba cabbage, also known as Chinese cabbage, depending on where you live. You need some carrots that are either shredded or cut like matchsticks. Some Asian-style noodles. Scallions and cilantro. And 2 hard-boiled eggs, or protein of your choice. First, you want to prepare the noodles. Cook the noodles according to the package instruction. When the noodles are done, submerge them in ice water or run them under cold water for a minute so the noodles can cool off. Drain the noodles and let them drain for a few minutes. Here, you want to add about a teaspoon of toasted sesame oil in there to prevent the noodles from sticking together. The toasted sesame oil will also give the noodles some really good flavor. We'll come back to the noodles later. Let's prepare the salad. Here we have a few naba cabbage leaves. You want to slice them into thin strips. And we want to do the same with the scallions. Just slice them or chop them if you like. With the cilantro, give it a few good chops. Okay, let's move on to making the dressing. We need some grated garlic and ginger. Some avocado oil. Rice vinegar, soy sauce, a light sprinkle of salt, and something sweet. I'm using a date syrup, but honey will work as well. And some more toasted sesame oil. Give it a good mix. If you like your dressing to be spicy, add some chili peppers. Let the chili peppers infuse the dressing for about 10 minutes. In the meantime, let's assemble the salad. We are going to combine the naba cabbage, carrots, noodles, and the chopped scallions and cilantro. Here, you want to reserve a little bit of the scallions and cilantro for garnish later. Here comes the dressing. I'm going to put about 1/3 cup of dressing here. Ooh, that looks so good. Hey, if you like this video, give it a like, comment, share the video, or subscribe to my channel for more recipes. Let's give it a good toss. This Asian noodle salad is going to have a nice texture. You got the naba cabbage, carrots, and noodles. And to add to the texture, we are going to add some roasted cashew nuts. Peanuts will work too, of course. Now let's give the salad the final touches. I'm using boiled eggs here. I think fried tofu or grilled chicken go well with this salad too. What do you think? Voila! Yes, I did just sprinkle some toasted sesame seeds over. Another topping I like to add to my Asian noodle salad is pork panko. The pork panko is made of finely ground pork rinds. It adds a nice saltiness and crunch to the salad, which I really like. I hope you like my take on Asian noodle salad. Let me know what you think in the comments. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.